Welcome to a short hands-on introduction to cRoot C Insight. With C Insight, it's possible to see customer data from your finance system. One page shows sales statistics and sales development by product group, right here in the top section. And in the lower right section, you can see the total sales development of the customer by year. Another page shows sales development by month and product group information in the top section, and in the lower right section you can see the total sales by product group for the selected period. A third page shows invoices with invoice line details, giving you the opportunity to view quantities, sales price and discounts from previous sales. It's possible to search for invoices containing a specific product. What we saw here was details on the active customer. However, in the top you can also click the Total Finance BI tab to see finance information on all customers, depending on the access rights of the logged in user. It's also possible to view statistics on a selection of customers, for example all customers in a specific region or segment, or a top 20 of customers, and so on. The top section under the ERP Sales Analysis tab shows you the total sales development by product group for each year for the selected period. If you have many product groups, the overview can get a bit blurred. In the setup, it's possible to add an overlay product grouping. You can also select single or multiple product groups if you want to investigate sales development on a particular product. The second tab under Total Finance BI is called ERP Sales Development. In the top section here, you can see the monthly sales development by product groups for the selected customers. The chart in the lower right section shows the total sales by product groups for the selected period. Under the ERP Search and Select tab, you can make customer selection in CRM based on product purchases and also on negative product purchases. Using the selection criteria, this can be crossed with CRM data. For example, you can find all customers who do not receive email product information and have bought a product but have not yet bought a complementary product. In this case, we'll make a simple selection of customers who bought from a specific product group in a given period. Companies returned are transferred to a selection in CRM from where the CRM marketing or telemarketing functions can be used. With cRoot Basic, the customer selection can also be displayed on a map, for example through a scheduled appointment in the calendar. This shows the customers with the day's route, which is relevant for visit planning. You can also choose to view all customers in the selection, no matter where they are located. The chart in the customer info box gives you the last year's sales, this year's sales, and maximum sales in 1 year. Clicking the chart icon brings up the finance insight for the customer. This was a short introduction to cRoot C Insight. You're welcome to visit our website at contineo.com. Thank you for your time.